Grab a wire basket and a metal wreath hanger from the dollar store. Squeeze and press in the bottom of the wire basket until there's a flattened, indented base. Reach for a metal wreath hanger and bend it so it curves into place. Check where you want to position the handle and add glue to the spots that will attach to the wire basket. Secure and hold the handle in place and allow it to set. Paint and coat the entire handle in black chalk paint. Grab a hold of a metal tag from the dollar store and paint it with the same black chalk paint that you've painted the rest of the piece with. Adhere some metal letters spelling cafe and adhere some jewel studs to the tag. Then adhere the tag to the front of the basket. Add some finishing touches by covering up the glue residue with some black paint. And now you have a basket from the dollar store turned into a cute large cup-shaped coffee pod holder. I hope this inspires you to create your own dollar store kitchen decor. Grab several mini wood crates and a couple of metal napkin holders from the Dollar Tree. Lay out the mini wood crate bins, stack and adhere 3 crates together using hot glue. Then stack 3 other crates and adhere with glue. Adhere the bottom of 2 metal napkin holders together. Secure the bottom of the napkin holders using some zip ties. Glue both of the stacked crates together. Adhere the crate stacks to the top of the napkin ring base. The last thing to do is insert your craft paint or other craft supplies. And now you have a stylish and functional craft organizer. I hope this inspires you to create your own organizer using items found at the dollar store.
You're gonna love these genius organizing hacks using 5 containers I found at the dollar store. I found this little clear jar with a lid. It's intended to be a candy jar, but I thought it would also work so well for organizing dishwasher pods under my kitchen sink. If you find these little book bins at the dollar store, they can be used for so many things beyond books. Turn them on their side and fill them up with water bottles. This makes it so much easier to grab a bottle. You can quickly see everything at a glance so you're not digging through the whole cabinet, and nothing will get lost in the far back, never to be seen again. If you're hosting a party, look for these little caddies the next time you're at the dollar store. The 3 compartments in this caddy are awesome for organizing all kinds of things, and I have 2 ideas for you today when you're hosting parties. Another way to use this caddy during a party is as a little holder for your s'more supplies. Carry it outside to the campfire and you're all set for a night of making s'mores around the fire. If you're tired of your kids constantly asking for snacks, create a snack bin using one of these large tubs from the dollar store. If you tend to buy snacks in bulk for the whole month, this is a helpful way to make them last longer and ration them out week by week instead of them all being eaten in week 1.
The next time you're at Dollar Tree, pick up a few of these common household items to get your kitchen organized. So I'm going to begin here in my pot and pan drawer. I have a nice spot for my pots, but then the lids are just kind of floating here in this pull-out drawer. So I'm going to begin by taking these self-adhesive hooks we got, and I'm going to hold up my pot lid, and then I'm going to place them around the pot lid so that they're nice and snug. And then this is just going to help guide where to put the hooks. And then you'll see when I open the door here, the pot lids are mounted on the side of my cupboard, and that frees up space underneath for the drawer. Next, I'm going to head under my sink here, and this place is just kind of a catch-all for all my cleaning products, and they're just kind of very messily stored under here. So I actually got this container a while ago at Dollar Tree. It's an over-the-hook door container, and it actually fits the kitchen bags very nicely, so you can take the roll out of that big clunky box. Next, I'm going to take this over-the-door hook storage piece that I got at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use it to hang all of my scrub brushes for when I do the dishes, and this just keeps them off my counter and out of the way and easily accessible within arm's reach for when I'm doing the dishes. I'm then going to take this smaller over the hook door one, and I thought this would be perfect for my Swiffers and my cleaning dusting supplies to just hang here on the inside of the cabinet. Next, I'm going to take this magazine rack, and I'm actually going to put it into a big large tote, and this is going to store all my big larger items that don't really fit into cabinetry nicely, and then I can just take this tote and put it in my pantry. I hope that you found these organizational tips and hacks helpful, and maybe you can use some of these in your kitchen.
Grab some clear shower rings from the Dollar Tree. Grab 3 large plastic storage bins from the Dollar Tree. Evenly add and connect shower rings to each side of the storage bin on the top and the bottom to connect additional storage bins, and use the shower rings on the top for hanging it to the closet rod. Now you're able to take advantage of the vertical space with this hanging storage. Grab one 10x8 and two 6x4 acrylic photo frames from the Dollar Tree. Remove all of the paper and plastic packaging from the frames. Add some glue to the edges of the back of both of the smaller frames and then adhere it to the larger frame. And now you have an easy and modern acrylic sunglass holder. Grab some cabinet shelves from the Dollar Tree. Line up cabinet shelves side by side and straighten out the legs if necessary, and then add some zip ties to the legs to attach everything together. This makes for a perfect shoe rack for both kids and adults. Grab some pegboards from the Dollar Tree. Start by gluing 3 square pegboards side by side. Next, create some dividers by adding some glue around the edges of one of the square pegboards, the bottom of both of those, and sticking it to the base. Now you have a sturdy shelf divider to use for clothing or accessories. Grab 2 pegboards and adhere them together, and then add some pegs. This makes for great storage for hanging and storing all kinds of jewelry. Grab some removable hooks from the Dollar Tree. Get a hanger and adhere the hanger hooks either using the packaging instructions or using some glue. Now you have attached hanger hooks to easily attach additional hangers with clothes to save space or match sets. Grab 2 broomsticks from the Dollar Tree. Grab 2 of these mop and broom holders. Grab 4 8x10 canvases. Start by detaching the canvas from all of the frames. Then glue 2 of the wood pieces from the detached canvas together. Then glue the back of the mop and broom holders and add that and adhere it to the wood pieces. Then lock in a broomstick on both sides of each of the mop and broom holders. I hope these Dollar Tree organizing hacks help inspire you to create some organization for your space.
Head over to the dollar store and grab some baskets. Grab 2 dish stacking racks and place them overlapping each other. Grab some white zip ties and place them onto the dish racks. Pull the zip ties tight, cut off the excess zip ties. Hang this vertically on a wall, roll up some towels and place it in between all the legs of the dish racks. You now have a way to hang and place your towels in a bathroom. Grab some shower curtain rings and hang them on a rod. Grab the hooks of your jeans, fold them in half, and place them onto the shower curtain rings as an easy way to hang your jeans. You can also use this same concept by putting the handles of your purses into the shower curtain rings and store your purses. You can also hang your shower curtain rings onto a hanger and then place your tank tops onto the shower curtain rings to keep them organized. Need a way to store your flip-flops? Grab a basket, place your flip-flops in a V formation into the basket. Once you have them all into the basket, place it on a shelf. Grab some wire baskets and some shower hanging hooks. Place 4 shower hanging hooks in the corners of one of the wire baskets and connect those to another basket above. On the top basket, you'll repeat the same process. Place this in your closet, hook it onto the hanging rack, and use it to store several different items. I started by painting the crates with some white apple barrel paint. Once the crates were dry, I went ahead and slid them onto the hanging rack. I hung these over my door, and now I have an easy grab station